Hey guys, just hopping on to talk to you about what to do if you have a question. I'm going to try something a little bit different. So if you're working at home and you have a question, log into your Microsoft 365 and go to the Teams app. So this is the Teams app. Once you get on the Teams app, if you look along this side here, you're going to hit the chat. Let's see, there. You'll hit this chat. And then there's going to be this new chat button. You can click on new chat, start typing a name or group. You can type in my name. Now, of course, because I'm the one doing it, my name's not going to pop up. But hopefully when you start typing in Rebecca, you'll see Rebecca Royal, and you can click on that. Okay, I'll do Miss Holloman just so you can see how I click on someone. Okay, so I would click on Miss Holloman. All right, I'm going to move this over. You click in new message at the bottom. You can type a message and we can get it this way. But if you have a question, you can call. So you can click, this is just an audio call, or you can click this button, which would be a video call. And then that way we'll be able to talk, and you can ask any question that you have, and I can hopefully answer it for you. Something else, when you see my RR, hopefully when you click on my name, like Miss Holloman right here, hers has a yellow circle. This means she's away from her computer. If you see a green check mark, that means I'm available. That means I'm logged in and I can talk, okay? So I'll try to be available every day, definitely from 10 to 12. But if you get on at 9 and you see the green check mark, then you know that I'm available. If I'm not available, you can just send me a typed out message, and we'll try to get back in touch later that day, okay? As always, let me know if you have any questions. I hope this will help.